Okay, so let's see how we can see what kind of content is available for you people on site. Okay, so we have this. Here we go. So I wanted to share the content on the page for you so that you had a better understanding. Okay, so let's see. We have this. I have developed it for you so that you could understand it better. Okay. So I will show you how you can, find important areas. So let's see. Here we go. This is the site, and you see, this is your VLS TX page, and you see we have got some demo lectures made available for you. We have specifically updated the Finance Act 2025 videos that are based on Finance Act 2025 are also updated. There are few changes and we have incorporated those changes, and those are reflected in videos. Okay, so these are my recordings, and I've identified all the new recordings along with the updated Finance Act. Okay, so the content that is made available to you on the VLS site is updated according to the latest Finance Act. Okay, so as we make progress, we have this other content, like all the taxes are first of all, you watch the lecture videos to understand all types of taxes, the UK tax system. Then you have the notes for every area. Like this first section is your lecture videos. Then you are supported with the notes. All these slides for these videos are based on these notes. And then you have the question practice, and finally you have the quizzes. Okay, so for every chapter we have this format going on. Okay, you have the lecture videos, you have the notes, the updated notes, and then you have the question practice videos. Okay, and then you can test yourself by attempting the quizzes. So this pattern will be available for all the chapters. Okay, so this helps you comprehensively cover everything. Okay, secondly, you can see the videos are short. Okay, they're not very long. Like some videos maximum would be 25 minutes, 13 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, something like that. Okay, so these are very short videos which you can easily manage even at your workplace. Whenever you get a break or a time to study, you can do that. And if we make progress here, the next chapter that I have, so we have this computing the income tax liability. This is one first area which is detailed. So we have this. You see here, this is you have the residence test, 21 minutes, calculating taxable income 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So these are very short videos, so you can understand those concepts very easily. Okay, so it might look a long list, but we have actually broken down all the content. Okay, for your ease. And then we have the questions for the above items, and then obviously the quiz at the end. Same goes for employment income. Same goes for taxable benefits. This is a new area. In the Finance Act, there have been a number of changes for the calculation of car benefit, for car fuel benefit, for loan benefit, for accommodation benefit. So all of those are updated. Okay, and then we move on to pensions and so on. So there have been some changes in NIC. So everything has been updated for you. Okay, so it's just time for you to start your journey and gain maximum benefit from the resources that we have made available to you. So I just wanted you to have a look at the content, how it is designed and how it should be used. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the slides here.